But if they're so choosers, before your eyes you'll see them multiply. Because they come in every shape and size. If that's what you covet, you will find that they love it. Because they got so much the thing you prize.
What a wonderful.
I recognize that song.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's from the Flying Hospital.
Whoa. Oh. Are you having trouble?
There. Watch this too, okay?
Here, Josh. You want to wait right here?
Stay behind the yellow line, okay? Nope. Look at that, guy's gonna get mad.
What's that?
He's gonna get mad at that nigga and say, you can't come no more.
Dad, just stay at Disneyland.
Okay.
Hello everyone, this is the Mickey and Friends tram, traveling to the Mickey and Friends parking structure. Please lower your head and watch your step while boarding. Please place young children toward the inside of the tram, away from the sides. There may be no lap sitting, except for very young children who are sitting with their parents. Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored. As a reminder, this is the Mickey and Friends tram, serving the parking structure. We will begin our trip shortly. Thank you.
Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Folks, we're going to take a few seconds here to restart
Mickey
this
Mouse, Minnie Mouse.
Oh, okay.
Wrong way, bro.
Well, we have this balloon.
Yeah.
It's lit up with light. What is that?
Sounds good. Turn two as well.
Remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas.
Everyone is flying at a long ride.
Yeah.
And that's different. Two.